Yeah, guys, hi. Hope you guys all doing well and safe. And today I am here to discuss a very important topic upon tell me about yourself, which is a basic and important question on every interview and which every interviewer asks. And let's move into the slides upon our topic. Yeah, wait for a while. Yeah, this is Muhammad Abdullah, CEO Kandira sir. Muhammad Abdullah sir, which is my favorite sir and my motivator. Today I am here in front of you is all because of him, Muhammad Abdullah sir. Thank you so much sir. This is your student who is speaking in front of you with all contents. It's all being given by you. Thank you sir. Once again, thank you sir. Dream big, do the best, leave the rest. Plan for it, you achieve it. Go, you can do it. You will be a winner. Yeah, the biggest, quite and most important one. First impression is the best impression. Tell me about yourself. It is an first impression which creates upon you for interview. So always try to give the best impression as a first impression. I say it, and let's move on to the topic. Yeah, how to start? Do I need to wish? Yeah, most of the people confused how to start the tell me about yourself and where to start, how to start, what to speak, what not to speak. I think most of the questions will get answers in this session and you will be cleared with answers and hope you will go with a good knowledge. And let me start. How to start? Do I need to wish? Yeah, it depends. First question comes to our mind that how to start. First, you should not wish again like good morning etc. because we have already wished while coming to interview at starting. Yes, while starting an interview, good morning sir, excuse me, can I come in? And nowadays it's an online interview. Good morning sir or good afternoon. While starting at interview point, you may wish already you wish the interviewer. So now telling answer regarding the tell me about yourself, you don't no not to wish again like good morning, good afternoon etc. And while coming to our next question, which most of them get confused, shall I start with my name? Yeah, let's go into this question. Depends upon the question. If interviewer asks just introduce yourself, then start with your name. If he starts to say your name and to introduce yourself, then you no need to introduce your name again. So let me say with you an example. If the interviewer asks me to introduce myself without speaking any example, Pawan, introduce yourself, then I no need to say my name again. If he asks to introduce yourself, then I need to say my name again. Yes. If he asks Pawan introduce yourself, then I need to start without any name, and if he asks to introduce yourself, I just have to start sir, this is Pawan. Yeah, in this format you should be started with your tell me about yourself. And let's move on to our next slide. Yeah. Wait for a while. Yes. Key points to attract an interviewer. Main motto our is to attract an interviewer and be a winner. Yes. First, to be a winner, believe in yourself, be confident about yourself. Yes, we can do it. Believing in yourself. Who knows more than you, man, about yourself? It's all about telling yourself. Who knows more about you? It's you knows more about you. that you can speak more confident. If you are more confident, you can speak better, you can perform well in this. Tell me about yourself at interview. Yes, next key point is don't give short answers. Try to utilize the almost time. If you stop in middle, it creates a bad impression. So lot of them have a fillers, or suddenly they stop and tell me about yourself, or else if they want to speak for a long time they cannot. But all this comes through only by practicing in front of a mirror, as well as our speaking skills get improved by practicing. I think that we may get 60 to 90 seconds of time in interview to tell me about yourself. So I say every one of you to plan for it and keep on speaking for at least 60 to 90 seconds, and utilize your time properly. I say that please plan to speak about your academics, your strengths, as well as your projects, as well as your hobbies, as well as your family background. This all should be included within the 60 to 90 seconds. Why I say that it is tough? Because it comes through practice. So arranging all this in a proper format will comes to practice more. So practice in front of a mirror, and please talk about your academics goal, extracurricular activities. And more key point is please do want to speak about your goal. Why? Because goal which says that you are fascinated about your future, you are clear about your future. So the interviewer gets to know that you are exactly planned for your future. So I once again repeat you that please plan to speak about your goal. Yeah, let's move to our next slide. Yeah, wait. Yeah, let's start. Sorry. Another key point is smile. Always learn to smile, because confident people always smile. Make an eye contact for sure. Yes. In nowadays we have what is this? Online interviews. Yes, online interviews. Sorry for the delay. Online interviews. We have to attract with our smile, with our body language. And if the interview is live, the person sees us. But nowadays it is an online interview. We have to just attract with our eyes, eye contact, as well as smile, as well as voice, as well as our communication skills. All these come to main point. Try to add some social activities and other hobbies in your tell me about yourself. Why? Because you are not the social activities and other hobbies says that you are not stick off to one thing with our academics or projects, etc. We have done something rather than studies. So try to say that you are not stick off for one thing. We hear that practice makes us perfect. To be successful in tell me about yourself, just you need to do a lot of practice. Yeah, already said that speak in front of a mirror with a good format of arranging sentences, and keep on improving your communication skills with a great smile and attractive communication skills. And English plays a key role. Our communication skills can attract others. Please see into a practice mode. And last but not least, be a tension free, act confident with your answers. Usually my teacher Abdullah sir says that if you are not confident, act confident. Thank you sir, really it is an awesome. If you are not confident, act confident. Interview is all about your selling. If you are having good knowledge, if you are not having good communication to sell, then you will be a loser. If you are having good communication and without having knowledge, then you will be a loser. So keep on balancing the both, keep on fighting, be a winner, and be confident, believe in yourself, successful. Be confident, believe in yourself, you will be successful. And try to act confident, be tension free. Yeah, one of the biggest and favorite quote of mine, which was said by my sir, Muhammad Abdullah sir: failure is not an option, it is a big enemy. It can break your ego, or even it breaks you. Be aware of that. So we all guys are practicing more, sir, and we will not remain as a failures, we will be remain as a winners. Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you. Yeah guys, thank you and good luck.